Jai Hind. In today's videos, I will tell you what is engineering. Second one, what is the importance of engineer in the world. Third one, what the engineer what can do. Fourth one, what is engineer skills. Before I start, I would like to tell you, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Firstly, I will tell you what is engineering. Engineering means application of science and mathematics to solve problem. Here combination of science and mathematics. Where engineer use science and mathematics. I will tell you and explain you. Just like science. Firstly, construct building, any bridge, any project is there. Firstly, science apply. Just like a soil checking by engineers, environment checking, and all environment checking. After that, decide the project and construct it. If soil environment is good, then taking a measurement is belongs to the mathematics. That is the combination of science and mathematics. By the applying principle of science and mathematics to engineers develops and solution to the world biggest technical issue, just like Eiffel Tower and Burj Khalifa and just like Kolkata Bridge, Howrah Bridge. That is called engineering. Just I am coming for a second. Importance of engineer. What is the importance of engineer in the world? Sir Albert Einstein said, scientists investigate that which already is. Engineers create that which has never been. That means scientists investigate that which already is. Just like for example, corona is already. After that, research and giving name COVID-19. Okay, and for testing COVID test kits, engineer develops. Before not, after coming, firstly available coronavirus. Okay, after that the create COVID test tools by engineers. There I am saying, try to understand. Just like corona is available in the body firstly, and one infected. That's all people knows. Corona is there. The scientists research and giving the name COVID-19. There is available, but kit, corona test kit is not available before corona. After corona becomes created by engineer corona test kits. Just like uranium just scientist researches and giving name, and by engineers by using the uranium create one uranium power plant and create and generate the electricity and giving the electricity and supply in the world. Just like developed by engineers, hydroelectricity power plant, thermal power plant, and thermal power plant, computer, internet, and health machine, etc. by giving the engineers. And scientist is justly giving and research. This is available in the earth, on the earth. That's name. That is only for scientists, and create only what is not available in the world, on the earth. That's create by giving the ideas. That's called is engineer and engineer values. And now I will going to third, what can do engineer. Engineer can do design and evaluate. Evaluate means what is called evaluate means one measurement, that is called also evaluate. And third is developed also after the taken measurement. So design developed and taking the installations and maintenance test and installation commissioning and maintenance. Also maintenance means giving the service. Re-service means what is the any faultation in the device and engineer the repair, that is called the maintenance. Test means new installation any device, engineer can be test or install. Firstly new install, after that check open or not, running or not, that is the engineer can do all system. And biggest solve the problem by engineers. Okay, now what is the skills of the engineers? Firstly, every engineer needed to technical knowledge. If you don't know English language, no need. Firstly, technical knowledge is necessary for the engineer, any engineer, that's the perfect engineer. Second one is the communication. Communication is very important for engineers, for communicate in the world, international levels, that's called engineers. So engineer not for easy, but international level, for international level engineers necessary for engineer English language known very well. Third one is a leadership, and fourth one is a team maker and teamwork, that's called also engineers. Not engineer means I am engineer, I will not do help for you, not like that. Not don't think the engineer can't think anything. Why? Because this is they have to take in one training in engineering courses. Teamwork, and one is the critical reasoning, where the use logic for the solution and solve any problem in the work in the field. Any work for engineers, there is the apply and solve the problem. For accuracy, for engineer accuracy is very important, and engineer has the accuracy. Okay, next in invention, engineer can be invention also, like QID test kit invented by engineers, and what is called RT-PCR also invention by engineers. One thing I will tell you, everybody says engineer is so easy that it is just like walking in park, but only engineers know that park is called Jurassic Park.